Welcome to Mushabbar from the historical and political and cultural capital of Istanbul. Sorry, of Turkey. From Istanbul, from the Istanbul seaport. Right now, we took a boat for a short trip. It's like 1 hour trip. We were not ready for it. We just came here randomly, and they convinced us to sit in this boat. Otherwise, we thought we will miss boat during our this trip. But we took now it anyway, and I think I should have taken the map because it showed me from where it will pass. But I will try to get the map. It will be, I think, a beautiful journey. You can see there are so many boats everywhere, and this is just one of the boat. So let's see how it goes.